4 класс, английский язык, домашнее задание, пожелания ко дню рождения, страница 85, 86, 87. English, Spotlight for homework, birthday wishes, page number 85, 86, 87. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. It's terrible. Don't be silly. It's terrible. Don't be silly. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly. It's wonderful. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 85. 85. Birthday wishes. Spotlight on the UK. Do exercise number 1. Read and say which of the words in bold you can see in the picture. Пожелания ко дню рождения. Прочитай и скажи, каким выделенным словам соответствуют предметы на картинке. Birthday parties in England are a lot of fun. Children bring presents and cards for the birthday boy or girl. Then the party begins. At the party there is always lots of food and drink. There are usually a lot of balloons in the room where the party is. The children wear party hats and play party games. After that, it's time for the birthday cake. The birthday boy or girl blows out the candles and makes a birthday wish. Then everyone sings happy birthday. Birthday parties are great fun for everyone. The answer. In the picture we can see presents, hats, a birthday cake and candles. Birthday boy, girl. Balloon. Blowout. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2. Sing the happy birthday song. Спой праздничную песню. Exercise number 3. What are your birthday parties like? Talk with your friend. Как ты отмечаешь свой день рождения? Поговори с другом. The answer. Birthday parties are a lot of fun. Children bring presents and cards for me. At the party, there's always lots of food and drink. There are usually a lot of balloons in the room. There's always a birthday cake. I blow out candles and make birthday wishes. My friends sing happy birthday. We play party games. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 86. 86. Now I know. Exercise number 1. Vocabulary. Read and match. Теперь я знаю. Словарик прочитай и сопоставь. The answer. Second, 11th, 4th, 12th, 20th, 9th, 28th, 30th. My dear friends, do exercise number 2. Look, read and choose. Посмотрите, прочитайте и выберите. The answer. Hungry, bored, scared, tired. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. George and Jane are talking about their last holiday. Read and complete. Use was, wasn't, were or weren't. Джордж и Джен разговаривают о прошлых каникулах. Прочитайте и заполните пропуски выделенными словами. The answer. The hotel was old. No, it wasn't. It was new. The rooms were small. No, they weren't. They were really big. The owner was Australian. No, he wasn't. He was American. The food was bad. No, it wasn't. It was great. The weather was cold. No, it wasn't. It was really hot. Boys and girls, do exercise number 4. Communication. Complete the questions using was or were, then match them to the answers. Общение. Напиши вопросы, начиная их соответственно с was или were. Затем подбери к ним ответы. The answer. Was Paul at school yesterday? No, he was ill. Were John and Jane on holiday last week? Yes, they were in France. Was the food nice at lunchtime? Yes, it was yummy. Were the shops open yesterday? Yes, they were. Boys and girls, do exercise number 5. Reading and writing. Read about Neil's day and complete. Use was or were. Yesterday was great. Чтение и письмо. Прочитай о том, как Нил провел вчера день, и дополни, используя was или were. Yesterday was great. By Neil. I was at home yesterday. I was with my friend Peter in the morning. We were in my room playing. My new game was really good, but Peter was the winner. In the afternoon, I was in living room. There was a film on about clowns. They were really funny. Yesterday was a great day. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 6. Now read again and answer the questions. А теперь прочитай еще раз и ответь на вопросы. The answer. Who was Neil with yesterday morning? Neil was with his friend Pete. Where were they? They were in Neil's room. Who was the winner on the game? Peter was the winner. What was on TV? There was a film on about clowns. My dear friends, we must do the task. Now I can. Теперь я умею. Use ordinal numbers. Say and write about where people were. Express feelings. The answer. Say and write about where people were. I was at the birthday party yesterday with my friend. At the party, there was lots of food and drink. There were dancers and clowns. We played party games and ate the birthday cake. There was a funny party. Yesterday was a really interesting day. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.